Hey friends! Buckle up because today we're going to Mars. Well, maybe not quite yet, but we're talking all about how Elon Musk plans to build the first city on Mars with his company SpaceX. They've already done some pretty amazing things, like landing rockets upright and launching astronauts. Now, Musk wants to make sci-fi dreams a reality by establishing a livable civilization on the red planet. Crazy, right? Stick around as we learn about Musk's vision for Mars, the awesome rocket technology SpaceX is developing, and the challenges they'll have to overcome to pull this off. Could you imagine taking a vacation to Mars one day? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the cool things SpaceX has already made happen. They've built reusable rockets like Falcon 9 that can launch payloads into space and then land back on Earth. Being able to reuse rockets brings down the insane costs of space travel. SpaceX also has the Dragon spaceship, which was the first commercial spacecraft to visit the space station. Recently, they sent astronauts to orbit in Dragon 2. Plus, they're working on Starlink, which is a huge network of satellites that will provide internet to anyone in the world. Pretty impressive, right? By making rockets and spacecraft more affordable, SpaceX is paving the way for bigger things like Mars colonies. Now, here's the really exciting part, Elon Musk's vision for building a city on Mars. He imagines sending spacecraft to Mars that can carry up to 100 people at a time. Over many years, over 1 million Earthlings could live on Mars. The goal is for this colony to become totally self-sufficient by producing their own food, fuel, oxygen, and everything else humans need. Mars has resources like ice and gases that colonists could use. A Mars city could have infrastructure like greenhouses, factories, labs, and living spaces all connected by transit systems. How cool would it be to ride a Hyperloop on Mars? Elon Musk thinks Mars is the best option for a second home for humanity where we could thrive for generations. Pretty wild. SpaceX's Starship rocket. The key to making Elon's vision a reality is the Starship rocket currently being built by SpaceX. This spaceship is designed to be fully reusable and extremely powerful. It could carry up to 100 people or tons of cargo to Mars with each launch. Starship will be the largest rocket ever built, standing taller than the Statue of Liberty. Prototypes are already being tested at SpaceX's facility in Texas. The company hopes Starship's first trip to Mars could happen as soon as 2026. While there's still a lot to figure out, the team is making huge progress. Starship really could be our ride to Mars one day. Challenges to overcome. Now, even though SpaceX has achieved some amazing things, they still face huge challenges to colonize Mars. Long space journeys can be tough on the human body with things like radiation exposure and bone muscle loss. Landing safely on Mars will be super difficult too, the atmosphere is really thin there. Plus, it will take a ton of money, materials, and new technology to build a self-sustaining civilization. SpaceX will have to come up with very creative solutions to problems we've never faced before. But knowing Elon Musk, he'll get brilliant engineers on the case. This dude does not give up easily. If anyone can get us to Mars, it's him. Conclusion. Elon Musk has huge ambitions for Mars that are super exciting. With SpaceX's innovative technology, a future Mars city could become our reality. Pretty soon, we might see the words "Made on Mars." Our future on the red planet awaits.